Welcome to Holistic Workshop. Today we are going to make a protein pancake or protein dosa as we call it. And here are the ingredients. I have 1.5 cup of green lentil, or it's called the moong dal, the green moong dal. Then this is the split green lentil, again 1 cup. And then 1/2 cup or a cup of black rice. Okay, I am going to add all these ingredients together. And then you are going to wash them and then soak this for 4 to 6 hours. So we have soaked our lentils and rice for 6 hours. And this is what you get after 6 hours of soaking. Please retain the water as it contains minerals and nutrients. We have put all our lentils and rice in the grinder for the batter. Add salt per taste. 1 inch of ginger, 2 green peppers, and then 1 onion. And grind it. And this is your ground batter, ready for action. All right, we have heated our pans, and the batter which we prepared goes in here. 2 ladles. And this is to make our dosa or pancake, as you call it. And you can give it a turn and make it as big or round as possible. You can add some chopped onions and tomatoes and cilantro for garnishing. And there you have it, folks, your protein pancake or dosa. Alright, so our protein pancake, protein dosa is ready. As you can see, it has separated. And you can just roll it 1 more turn like that, and this is ready to serve. Enjoy that with coconut mint chutney. And this protein pancake has only 140 calories with 9 grams of protein. Enjoy. Visit us at Holistic Workshop. Enjoy health and happiness, and sign up for our next class in Chicago. Thank you for visiting.